There's a Ford 7610. With a 3-furrow plough on the back. And the ploughing match here at North Notts is in full swing now. Some people have finished their plots. And others are still in the go. And it is still chucking it down here. So anyone with a cab will be definitely a little bit more advantageous because it's also pretty cold. I've been struggling I can't even speak. I've been struggling hitting the keyboard with my fingers, hitting the screen with my fingers.